Very, very cool stuff right there. 90.3 The Rock. That is Shortwave Society. And a very cool tune called Not Enough Sleep from their debut EP. And this is UTTV, The Rock Unplugged, and 90.3 The Rock Live Radio is what you're checking out. My name is Benny Smith. Glad to be here. Glad to be your host. And don't forget, you can check out UTTV, The Rock Unplugged, every Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 9 on UTTV, Channel 194 on your Comcast digital package, Channel 65 here on campus. What we like to do is basically we've always got, when we have these live in-station performances, not usually, they're always on the air live, but we turn the video camera on as well, and we tape these performances in studio and then replay them 2 or 3 weeks later on UTTV, The Rock Unplugged. So you're hearing it live on the radio, usually in conjunction with a show or a release of a CD or something the band's got going on, and you can check it out live in a couple, 3 weeks on TV, and you can also check it out, hopefully maybe on the band's MySpace page and stuff in the near future as soon as we get them a copy. The band, as I told you, is Shortwave Society. This is a look at the debut EP that they've got. Tonight, being Monday night, the 20th of July, they will be playing down at Barley's Tap Room and Pizzeria in the Old City, probably around 9 bells or so. And want to thank you all, number one, for coming in, taking time to come in. We appreciate it a whole lot.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Shortwave Society, yet another band here in Knoxville. And believe me, I've been around a few years in this town as far as local music goes. And Knoxville is a town that as soon as you think, okay, I've kind of seen it all, I've kind of heard it all in this town, a band like yours pops up and literally blows and expands minds even more, which is very cool, because that's what you want music to do, is to kind of challenge yourself and provide some entertainment at the same time. But another reason why I always say there is no real Knoxville sound, and I think that's good, because it doesn't kind of pigeonhole. It doesn't kind of make people think, well, they don't sound like so-and-so, so they can't be from Knoxville. That's the great thing about it, is bands like you guys pop up and just totally throw it all out of whack in a great way. And who's going to step up and talk?
Absolutely. All right, over here we have Miss Sarah Hurd on violin.
Thank you.
And she also plays, many different instruments, flute and glockenspiel and a variety of other things. And behind me I have Miss Alexia Pontani-Zopoulos on cello.
Hello.
I'll let you say that last name there.
Pontani-Zopoulos.
There you go.
Okay, over here we have Jason Day, plays piano, and
Hey, Jason.
Hey.
and other whatnots, shakers, and helps make us sound good back there. And to my right is my brother, and he plays what would you say? A variety of different electronic blips and beeps.
We just got a little spaceship back
there,
basically.
Spaceship.
Yeah.
We got our laptops, our whatnots.
Yeah.
And he takes care of all that.
And brought a big drum in today. So.
Yes.
Very, very cool.
You got to have your big drum.
How do you say your guys' last name? Guerin? Is it
Guerin?
Guerin.
The Guerin boys.
Yes.
Guerin boys, back again.
What are them Guerin boys going to do next?
Collectively known, again, as Shortwave Society. And the EP been done about how long now?
How long would you say?
March or April?
About March or April? Yep, very
couple
cool.
months now.
And how long have you guys been out as far as, performing and playing public gigs, if you will? Haven't seen your name out there a whole lot, but you're just really starting to get going, I guess really starting to get into it, aren't you?
Yeah, it's just kind of starting to present itself.
Yeah.
Right off the bat, we started to gain, a few out-of-town gigs here and there, Chattanooga and Huntsville and stuff like that.
Very cool.
And
First gig was probably January or December.
Wow.
So we haven't played a whole lot, but we're just trying to get a catalog of music together to complete a show.
Well, and it also sounds like a band that is, especially with the elements you bring and the influences as well, you're still kind of molding that clay, I guess, as well as a band and formulating your sound, if you will, and which is pretty indescribable. It's kind of like you bring kind of this orchestral thing together with kind of this dance hall electronic kind of vibe even together, I think, and kind of got the best of the acoustic world and the best of the electronic world together. Is that a decent way to kind of describe it?
I would say that's a very good description, and it's really just a bit about cultivating it and learning how those things can both fit together.
Right.
And it's been, a constant process of working out and changing the setup and getting the thing,
Yeah.
So we're still, just getting it, forming it.
Right. And
It's a ball of clay.
Yeah,
There you go.
yeah.
It's clay.
And
Let's go
fun,
with clay.
and having fun with it too. So
Yeah.
definitely. Again, it's Shortwave Society live in studio on 90.3 The Rock and on UTTV, The Rock Unplugged. Turn it on, keep it on. You can check this band out, and you're going to dig this, folks. Believe me. We're digging the EP a lot here, but you're going to like it, especially. And I love it when bands walk in. Now, we were a little worried because they do use a laptop and all, but we were able to kind of substitute something a little more out of date for that, I guess you could say.
Yeah, we got a scaled down thing.
Yeah, but the laptop is becoming, and we'll get to that a little bit later too, a huge instrument these days. I mean, it's unreal. But you lend yourself acoustically to a situation like we have where you can come right in and play, and I appreciate y'all adapting a little bit to that.
Yeah.
So without any further ado, let's get you all to play one. We're going to come back and talk about this band, this sound, and a little bit more. Again, it's Shortwave Society live in studio and on UTTV, The Rock Unplugged, playing at Barley's this evening down in the Old City, playing live on your radio right now. What you going to do?
All right, this song is called Dustball Hobo.
Very, very cool. 90.3
right.
The Rock, Shortwave Society.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
How about another song?
All right.
Very cool.
deal.
What you going to do?
This is another one off the EP. It's called Frostbite.
Very cool. It is Shortwave Society live on 90.3 The Rock and UTTV, The Rock Unplugged.
Spies to seize what I have. I guess I felt the most. Frostbite makes a ghost of every limb. I'm trying not to cry. I'm trying not to whine, and I walk down every sidewalk carefully, and they sing all my songs, but they don't know the words. I guess the novelty of me is born of a new fly swarm around the bed, and they only do what they're told to do. But you dissolve into me. You dissolve into me. Bombs to grace the fire, to give the room praise. Now I play the role of her on the fence. I can't digest it all or reinvent the walls. Honey, I don't think that time will speak to you at all until you call and you sing all my songs, but you don't know the words. I guess the novelty of me is born of a new fly swarm around the bed, and they only do what they're told to do. I guess the novelty of me is born of a new fly swarm around the bed, and they only do what they're told to do. But you dissolve into me. You dissolve in. Okay, I said it. You dissolve into me. You dissolve into
Excellent stuff. Live in studio. That is Shortwave Society from right here in Knoxville. And they're going to be playing down at Barley's Tap Room and Pizzeria this evening, probably, what, about 9 o'clock or so, I guess? 9, 10, something like that?
We also we have a band, Centrale Massacre, that's opening up.
Oh, very cool. Like
we have a cool opener as well.
Yeah, a lot of fun. Had them in studio a couple, 3 months ago, and they do a great job.